Okay, greetings to you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'd like that before we start, you should please click on the subscription button and the notification bell. Thank you. Okay, having known about how to transpose or make the subject of formula, I would like us to look at linear equations. A linear equation is simply an equation in which the highest power of the unknown variable is 1, that's x to the power 1. And to do this, to solve this, let's say x plus 4 is equal to 10. Now, to solve for x here, make sure that the coefficient of x is first over 1. You ask yourself, what is blocking x to be alone? Is negative 4, is plus 4. So the inverse of plus 4 is negative 4. When you do that, 4 minus 4, 0, x is here. So we are left with 10 minus 4, which is 6. It means our x is equal to 6. And if you substitute the 6 plus 4, 10. Let's look at this one here. To make x the subject, or to solve for x here, what is the step in negative 4? What is the opposite of negative 4? Means adding negative 7, adding 7 to both sides. Add 7 to both sides. So negative 7 plus 7, 0. 10 plus 7, 17. So our x is equal to 17. And if you test 17 minus 7 is 10. Okay, we'll continue here. 2x is equal to 4. But you see that it's only multiplication that is here separating them 2, and so the inverse of multiplying is dividing. I divide both sides by 2. It gives me x is equal to 2. Alright. Now we have here, some can equally solve like this, that x plus 4 is equal to 10. Implies this plus, whenever it crosses the equality, it changes the sign. Implies x is equal to 10 minus 4, which is still 6. And here, x minus 7 is equal to 10. Implies if it crosses, the negative crosses, it becomes positive. When it crosses the equality, crossing the bridge. So x will simply be 10 plus 7, which is 17. Okay. Okay. That said, let's look at example 4 and 5, 6. We equally have here x over 6 is equal to 5. We have to solve the equation by solving for x. You ask yourself which operation sign is linking x and 6 is division. So for me to remove this division is by multiplying by 6. When I multiply both sides by 6, it cancels. So I have x is equal to 30. Okay. Now we have question 5. Okay, equally here, if you have the equation 3x minus 1 equal to 5, I were to solve this. The first thing is we have subtraction. Look at what is happening. We have subtraction, then we have what is linking x is multiplication. But this one is not directly joined to x. So the first thing is to remove it. Now if I have to remove 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. I want to remove this 1 here, means I divide both. I add 1 to both sides. When I add negative 1 plus 1 is 0. I will have 3x here. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now I divide both sides by 3. I'm going to have x is equal to 2. And with that you solve your x is 2. Okay, when I'm here, I have addition. To remove it, the opposite of addition is subtraction. I said minus 1 here, minus 1. So I have 2x is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. So if 2x is equal to 8 now, how do I obtain x? I divide both sides by 2. x will give me 4. Okay, we'll look at question example 7. Now, solving this equation, 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. You see that if you have to solve for x in this equation, we have the x on both sides, right? So we have to start by bringing the like terms together. So this 2x, we have to come this way to meet the brother. This one will go there to meet the sister. So since this way is crossing, means that the sign will change. So we have 4x minus 2x. And this one too crossing the bridge. Imagine when you cross one side, you go to another side of the bridge, your position will change. So the sign will change. So plus here, when you cross, it becomes minus. So we have here 4x minus 2x. 4 minus 2 is 4 minus 2, 2, then 2x. Equal to negative 7. Negative 6 minus 1, negative 7. Divide both sides by 2. So x is negative 7 over 2. Now, we have another example here, example 8. We have 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 3x minus 1. When we have a situation like that with bracket, we remove the bracket first. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 1 is minus 2 equal to 3x minus 8. Okay, now we collect like terms as the x come together and the 2. So we have 4x. This one that was crossing was plus, so it becomes minus 3x. And this one is minus, when it goes that way it becomes plus. Negative 8 plus 2. 4x minus 3x is 1x or x. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So that's it. That's all what we need to do whenever we are solving linear equations. Alright, thank you. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you in the next videos.